Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please, right now, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. I'm back with M.A.P, my automatic pay. Okay, today I want to talk about how to market this program. Okay, now if this is your first time seeing this and you don't know what I'm talking about, I have put a link below on some previous videos that I've made on the review of the program. But today I want to just focus on how to market this. So someone may say, hey, how would I market it if I join this thing? How do I market it? How do I get people to take a look at this? So that's what we're going to talk about. All right, so go to this website, though, if you want to get the full details, www.𝐒𝐲𝐳𝐿.com. All right, so let's get into it. All right, I am in the members area, as you can see. Let's move this over. Oh, hang on. As you can see, members area, there's my name right there. Okay, so let's take a look here. In your members area, if you go to get traffic, you're going to see the different resources, okay, that you can use to get traffic. Well, what is traffic? Visitors, people, targeted people that's interested in making money online. How do you get people to take a look at this opportunity? We're not talking about bugging friends and family, chasing people around on social media, bugging them in their messenger, none of that, okay? So we have all the methods listed here, suggested recommended methods in your members area. All right, so we're going to take a look at that. All right, now these are suggestions and you can decide which method you want to use to get started. Now everybody that joined me in the program, I'm going to send your first traffic campaign. Okay, so that's going to kickstart your business. These leads are going to come through your capture page and you're going to start receiving emails of people that's interested and they're looking at the opportunity. Okay, so mind you, I'm going to take care of that first one for you. All right, but going forward, how are you going to get people to take a look at this? So let's look at it. Okay, so we have different methods. Let's go over here and take a look at this. Okay, so once we click resources in our members area, as you can see, we have solo ads. Okay, my personal opinion, that's how I kickstart my business. As well as, of course, you know, I'm doing my videos and then I have an email list. But if you're just getting started, you have no one to see your opportunity to kickstart the business, the solo ads would be my first recommendation. And that's why that's what I'm giving to people that join me. I'm going to give them the first solo ad campaign. All right, so solo ads will be a way to kickstart the business, or traffic, if you will. This is one of the methods. Postcards is another one, okay, for some people that say, hey, I just want to do the mailings. We've got you covered here. Then we also have, and this is all under one roof, you don't have to go outside of the system to look for anything. Your whole marketing system, your whole training, everything you need is right here, all the resources, okay? So we got postcards. We have labels, okay? Leads. Where do I get my leads from? Who am I going to mail to? That's in your members area. If you want to mail sales letters and versus a postcard, you say, hey, I just want to mail a letter in an envelope. They got you covered in that. If you want to advertise in a magazine, okay, they have a resource in here for that as well. Okay, let's go take a look at the solos, and we're going to kind of go through a few of these. All right, so you click solo ads, right? And with this, is very simple, it's very easy. That's what I like about this system. It is very newbie friendly. Click and point, guys. That's all you've got to do. So you decide, hey, I think I want to go that route, right? So you go here and you just select which package you want. You want the starter kit, the driver kit, the serious kit, the advanced kit. Okay, they're gonna send, all you got to do is send them your capture page link. Okay, I'm going to show you where that is before we finish. Send them your link. Go here, click on, do you want 100 visitors? It's $95. Do you want 200 visitors to come to your site? It's going to be $160. If you want 500 visitors to your site, it's $335. If you want 1,000, it's $525. So click whichever one you prefer. And all you do is copy and paste your link, send it to these folks. They're going to take care of it. They're going to email you your tracking link so you'll know when your traffic starts. Okay? That's it. That's how you would do the solo ads. Very simple. Okay? Now, let's go look at another method. All right? Okay, another method will be postcards. We'll go down here, and all this is in the members area. Very simple. Go to resources, and everything is right here laid out for you. So postcards, here's some templates. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3 postcard templates. You just decide which one you want. You come down here, fill out this information, and if you need leads, you click this button, order your leads. Now, if you join me, when you partner with me, I have resources, these similar resources, but different vendors, okay? So I have another resource for leads. I have another resource for solo ads. Excuse me. So in addition to what you're going to get with your system, I'm going to give you more resources, okay? But this is just as simple. So if you decide you want the postcards, you click that, go down here, fill out this information, and order postcards, all from your members area, okay? So let's see what else we've got. We talked about the labels. You can get the labels back here. If you want the sales letter, they have a sales letter if you want to mail the sales letter, or if you want to do some advertising in a magazine, you can go here and put an ad out. Okay, this is a big magazine. They've been around for years. Okay, so that's another way. Okay, now they list some other free methods. Okay, I'm going to give those to you, but again, it's up to you which way you want to go. Personally, like I said, solos are quicker because you can get people instantly looking at your site. Okay, now let's look at some other methods that they suggest. All right, they list these as well. Craigslist, business cards, we have drop cards, Facebook, social media. Okay, and if you're interested in Craigslist, I have ads that I can give you to help you with this program as well. Okay, so if you're interested in anything like that, reach out to me. I'll share that with you as well, guys. So those are the different methods that you can use to drive traffic to your capture page. So where's your link? You want to know, well, where is my link that I need to send to the vendors, right? Let me show you. Okay, as soon as you log into your back office, right here, here's your link. It says your referral link. Copy this, and this is what you're going to send to the solo ad vendors. Okay, I'll also have a resource for text message marketing, bulk text message marketing. I have a resource where this company will send 3,000 up to 10,000 or more text blasts, okay, to target people. So if you're interested in a campaign for text message marketing, that could be an option as well. Okay, so I have that resource also, guys. So that's how you can market this business. Very simple. They keep it very simple. I love the way this whole thing is set up. They made this system very, very simple and newbie friendly. Okay, this is perfect for the newbie. Click and point. Never leave your members area. Everything is right here. This system pays out $247 instant commissions any way you want. So how much is it to get started? It's $247 to the person that referred you and $33 to the company. $280, under $300, you get the whole system. And yes, I've got to show you the capture page, but you get a whole marketing system. That's the autoresponder, the email series that's going to go out for you, your capture pages, your sales page. Everything is included. Everything is included. The only thing you'll be paying for, and there's no monthly fees, you'll just be paying for your marketing. Okay? Let me show you where the capture pages are. What they look like. I just showed you your link. Let me show you what the page looks like. Okay, right now they have 2 capture pages. Let me show you the one that I'm using that's getting a great response. This one here, this very first one, it says across the side here, capture page. So click that and you can see what it looks like. All right? This is the one that I'm using. Okay? Name and email. And then they have another one. Let me show you that one. This is the other one. Okay? This is the other one. So those are the 2. Okay? So all you're going to do is send the vendor your link if you want to do solo ads. And when you join me, I need you to send me your link as well so that I can send traffic. Okay? So if you're looking for a newbie-friendly, all-in-one system, okay, capture page included, everything you need under one roof, instant pay commissions, member to member, okay, this is the perfect little system. Under 300 bucks, you're good to go. And remember, when you join me, I'm going to send your first campaign. All right, guys, so that's the way to start getting people to look at your M.A.P system, okay? Just showed you that. So, as it states, all the selling and telling is done for you. This video does the selling and telling, okay? Once people see this, either they're in or they're out. You get this website, everything is set up instantly. You don't have, there's no delay on your website. As soon as you make your payments, your 2 payments, you get access to this system just like that, okay? Automatic pay, just like it says, everything is automatically set up. All you're going to have to do is set up your payment option, and we show you how to do that as well. And I'm here for one-on-one support throughout your process, because again, we're partners. Because your first sale you keep, your second sale passes up. So it's in your sponsors, it's to their advantage for them to assist you, okay? That's the way I see it, okay? So just make sure you partner with the right folks, all right? So I look forward to working with you guys. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button right now and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload videos. Till next time, see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.